already has deposited earlier occasion, Lordship. Three documents. My learned friend may not be informed, but I am giving it already. I am. On the contrary, one criminal case also lost against the pendency of this case. For a notice issued yesterday.
My instructions till July 2020. This is the letter of 27th of May 2024. My instructions are till July 2024. This original deed was not submitted before the authorities, the police authorities.
So did I deposited 25/7?
This is my written instruction. This is of 23rd July 2024. Your Lordship kindly sees that. But I do not know, my Lord. Your Lordship kindly turns to the next page.
You mentioned that 2947 not
The first paragraph on 23rd July, the ADS here, submitted report to the inspector. Memo number this.
Did not surrender the original deed number 2947
of
He has already surrendered, Lordship.
On the basis of that
I am
report, my
giving
Lord,
you the
FIR has been registered on the basis of that report.
I am given my landed friend also.
document.
It was original to me also.
What I am saying, my Lord, these documents are taken over, but without verifying the contents.
No. It says 3 copies of original deed.
Already surrender original deed.
I'll take instruction from the ADSR and come back to you.
Matter was listed today to ensure that the direction issued on 19/8/2024 complied with by the respondent numbers 12, 13 and 14.
The matter is pending here.
Title deed bearing number 2947 of 2010. The written instruction given by the inspector, acting in charge of Manikchak Police Station, District Malda, dated 23/7/2024, states that these concerned respondents have not surrendered the original deed number 2947 of 2010. The learned advocate appearing for the respondents 12, 13, respondent numbers 12, 13 and 14 submitted that on 27/5/2024 his clients have surrendered, have submitted the original title deed number 2947 of 2010, I-hyphen
2947, I 689 of 13, another I 3425. 3 documents are submitted.
hyphen 3425 of 2019 on the set on 27/5/2024.
And this is
the same has been received, and the seal of the additional district sub-registrar Manikchak, Malda has also been affixed. A copy of the said letter has been handed over to the Learned Government Council.
Dr. Kindly sees the 3rd page of that report which I have filed, my Lord. This is 27th of May. Then on 3rd of June, he has written to the inspector in charge that he has received the 2 deeds, but certified copy of that deed, original, has not been handed over. This is 3rd of June.
handed over the original documents that is given to Lordship.
Handed over to
How my
the
landed friend has
time to get in appropriate instructions. It is submitted by the Learned Government Council that the stand taken by the respondents 12, number 12, 13 and 14 is incorrect, since on 3/6/2024 the additional district sub-registrar has written to the inspector in charge Manikchak Police Station that certified copy of deed number 2947 of 2010 alone had been given, but not the original deed. The additional district sub-registrar shall file a report setting out all details, and in the event the respondent numbers 12, 13 and 14 have not surrendered the original deed number 2947 of 2010, they will be exposing themselves to stringent action by this court. List the matter next Tuesday.
But already you have given the original documents.
Let us file a report.
Let him file a report.
Next Tuesday,
In the meantime, she has already called him, registered a criminal case for the notice issued. I don't know. Pendency of the appeal.
I'm grateful.
Under the same caption.
Item number 2,
Yes.
Rakshit, this is an application relating to disallowance of my claim of input tax credit under the WB VAT Act, under the VAT Act, Lordship. The tribunal, the West Bengal Taxation Tribunal, has disallowed my claim primarily on the ground they are of the view that I have not produced the transport documents for movement of the goods. Lordship, if Lordship kindly sees page number 48 of the order of the tribunal, at the first page, the modus operandi of my business has been noted by the taxation tribunal is that I purchase the goods from my vendors and dispatch it directly to my customers. I do not bring them to my place of business. To save on transportation and loading and unloading costs, I purchase the goods from my vendors and ship it directly to my upcountry customers, who are all state electricity boards. So that is the movement document which I produced before the authorities. But they are sort of insisting that the goods must come first to my place of business and then they should go to the customer. That, Lordship, to my mind, is not a requirement of the law and an unnecessary imposition of burden on the way I conduct my business, which would involve additional costs and additional time. So that is the basic contention of the tribunal. And Lordship, my claim also was to the extent of about 18 lakh rupees. They have discussed about my claim to the extent of about rupees 5 lakh only on this issue that transport.
The revisional authority said that the assessee has not, the